We live in the world where people have different attitudes and approach. People who accept same situations, same incidents, same problems differently. People who respond differently. However we respond, whatever will be our attitude and approach, the question is, are you happy in your life? Do you enjoy your life? Is your life a celebration? Even if your answer is yes or no, remember, your life is too short. Your life is unpredictable.
There are mainly two types of people in the world. Some people are very happy and they enjoy their life, and their life is a celebration. They are peaceful and satisfied in every situation. Whatever happens in their life, they won't be disappointed. Their presence and words make others happy. They can face uncertainties with a smile. They are not affected by their past and by their failures. No negative thoughts and negative comments hurt them. If you are such a person, go on, because your life is too short and unpredictable. There are some other people who only have problems, not happiness. They are confused, not courageous, especially when unexpected things happen in life. Their anxiety and fear make small problems bigger ones. If you are such a person, you should change, because your life is too short and unpredictable. We do not know what will happen next year, next month, next week, next day, next hour, next minute in your life. Nobody knows when will be our last breath. Many of our friends and relatives had left the world without saying a word. Now the question is, why some people are happy and enjoying their life? And the answer is, they have decided to be happy. They chose that lifestyle. They do not surrender their life to negative thoughts and failures. They are not interested in spoiling their life. They don't want to make their life painful and sorrowful. And when something happens against their plans, they accept the uncertainties and they won't let the failures to rule them, but they will find some other better options. Being happy, enjoying your life is not a blessing from God, but it is your choice, it is your decision. Because God gives you everything, but if you do not choose happiness and peace always, even God cannot help you. Remember, we can't make changes in past. We can't make changes in our future. We can't make changes in our failures. We can't make changes in our situations. But we can make changes in our attitude. We can choose a happy life. We can decide to be happy and peaceful always, whatever happens. So let us decide to be happy and peaceful always. Let us choose happiness and peace instead of enslaving us to anxiety, agony, and fear. Let us leave the past. Let us forget the failures and painful memories. Let us wait for the future. And let us celebrate our life always. Because your life is too short. Your life is unpredictable.